Okay, give me 2 seconds. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me just share this paper with the Africa group. There's a lot of people from Africa in the group as well today. So let me share it with them as well. Okay, I've shared it in the Africa group. So the people from Africa or from UK, from those groups, you can come. Sister Sukaina, Bismillah, come on the mic. Sister Sukaina. Sukaina? Sukaina, Bismillah, I can't hear you.
I'm just going to have some glass water, sorry.
I've had my glass of water. Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. Alaikum salam. You've got your hand up, so that's the reason I've actually asked you to come.
Oh, did I? Oh, sorry.
Go ahead. Bismillah.
Oh. I did I put my hands up?
No, there's Sukaina Karam Ali. She put her hand up.
Oh.
No, it's me, Sukaina Kalfan. One second. Yeah, it's me. Just 1 second. Let me get my hand lowered and
I've done it for you. I've done it.
Oh, okay, thank you. No, it's still on. So lower my okay. All right, I'm good now. All right. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. So I did the paper. I did a bit late, but I did it.
That's fine.
So Mike, I understood a couple of things here. So now I have a question on number 9. I am the engineer's son. I am the engineer's son. Sorry, am I jumping? Do we have to go from the top, going downwards?
Let me go from the top, and then we'll take all the questions as well.
Okay, all right, that's great. So what do you want me to do?
So what I want you to do is that what have you wrote for? So let me just go back to the paper. Go to the first question.
Mm-hmm. So I can't see the paper. I have to swap between the apps. It's going to be very difficult. Okay, so if you can put the paper, it would be great. Otherwise, I'll have to use another device and get the paper on there.
Okay, give me 2 seconds. Let me get the paper on the actual screen.
Sure, thank you.
Right. Just 1 second, I've got it. Just found it. I was trying to look for where it was disappeared.
So I can do it if you can allow me in. I'm signing in so that I can go onto that paper, so we waste a little bit less time. I can do it now. Just allow me in with the other device, so I can just shift off to this device and look at the paper. Okay, we're in.
So it's going to cause, sister's going to cause a problem.
Yeah, I've already left the meeting, so you'll be fine. All right, so the paper is on group 4.
I got it. I got it on the screen.
All right, thank you. All right. Oh,
Very good.
so my imam
My-
is, my imam is Imami.
Correct.
His name is Imam Mahdi. Huwa ismu Mahdi, or you can say ismuhu Mahdi.
Just 1 second. Let me
If you're
get.
saying his name, I would go with Huwa ismu Mahdi.
Just give me 1 second. Let me just get the paper up on as well.
I want explanation on this round number 2. Why 2 mudaf ilayhi?
Go on, sister. Bismillah. Imami is my imam, and his name is.
Yeah, so I said Huwa ismu Mahdi.
Ismuhu.
Or you could say ismuhu Mahdi.
No.
Which,
So you will say ismuhu. His name is. So ismuhu is mudaf mudaf ilay. Imam Mahdi. So you say al imamu al mahdiyu.
oh, but he says my name. Oh, I see. His name is okay.
Yeah. His
So I
name.
missed it.
Sheikh,
Yeah.
Sheikh, would it work without the L in there? Ismuhu Imam Mahdi.
Ismuhu Imam.
Mahdi.
Imam. No, because Imam is the Imam. Is not a Imam. It's the Imam.
So you have to have Ismuhu Imam al-Mahdi.
Ismuhu al Imamul Mahdiyu. Yeah.
But
Okay.
sir, if it is only ismuhu al-imam, then if it is ismuhu al-imami,
Ismuhu Imami. That makes no sense at all.
He's my teacher.
ismul imami, right? If there is no who.
Ismul Imami is wrong.
No.
Sorry, you got some words.
Mudaf ilayhi only can be ismul imami, right?
That's the name of the Imam is Mahdi.
The name of the imam, yes, only. No. If I just want to say only ismul imami,
Yeah, Ismul Imam is correct. Name of the Imam.
yes, name of the imam. But ismuhu al-imamu al-mahdi.
Mommy. So I wrote Ismuhu is Mahdi.
This is a revision session. I'm not going to teach in this revision session new things because it'll confuse everyone. Keep it
No,
simple.
it is ismuhu al-imamu, right?
Ismuhu, yeah, al-Imamu, correct.
Al-mahdi.
Al-Mahdi, correct. Al-Mahdiyu.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Al-mahdi.
The al is mandatory.
So al-Imam. So if you said Ismuhu Imamul Mahdi, Imam of, then it would be Imamul Mahdi means Imam of Mahdi. So because mudaf ilay. But when you say when it's question Imam Mahdi, you say al-Imamu al-Mahdi. Ajjallahu ta'ala faraj al-Sharif. Okay?
Can we say Ismuhu Imamun Mehdiyun?
Ismuhu Imamun.
Imamun Mehdiyun.
Again, this is Farsi version again. Farsi and Urdu version. Imamun Mahdi. But in Arabic, you will say al-Imamu al-Mahdiyu.
Okay, because I, like you said, the masculine name ends it in the tanween.
Yeah.
So I thought Mehdiyun, it would be
Yeah, because-
Mehdiyun instead of.
Yeah, that is correct. Imamun Mahdiyun is correct.
Because I didn't write it. Look,
Yeah, it's
there's
correct.
no
But however, because we are
name
doing,
is Mahdi. So that is why I've got the problem.
because you're referring to an individual, which is ma'rifa, you say al-Imamu al-Mahdiyu.
Okay.
Okay?
Sir, I think since the English doesn't have the, most of us have missed the al-Imam al-Mahdi.
Yeah, but the thing is, you will know Imam Mahdi. Whenever you mention that, it's not Imam. Imam, because what's happening? Because we come from non-Arabic. Sorry, 1 second.
So basically the al is only
So ismuhu, his name is al-imamu. That's the title. Remember, al-imamu is the title for our imam. So you don't have a title of a person. Imamun means a imam. So al-imamu mahdiyu. Al-mahdiyu. And you know, al-mahdiyu is again the name of Sahib al-Zaman, and al-mahdiyu. Okay.
Okay, Molana, I didn't see the Imamu.
So if you,
I just had the name. His name is Mahdi, so I wrote Imamuhu Mahdi.
Imamuhu, if you wrote Imamuhu, if you had Imam, his name, Ismuhu, Imam Mahdi,
Ismuhu Mahdi.
Ismuhu Mahdi, I'll accept. And even Ismuhu al-Imam al-Mahdi is the 100% correct answer. If you Ismuhu Imam al-Mahdi, that is also acceptable because we haven't done grammar and we are still basic students. Imam al-Mahdi is acceptable. Imam al-Mahdi is acceptable. But the right answer, al-Mahdi is the correct answer.
Yeah, I just wrote Ismuhu Mahdi.
Ismuhu Mahdi is correct as well.
Thank you.
Okay.
If I didn't have any alds, would it still be correct or no, not correct?
If you wrote Ismuhu Imam al-Mahdi, that's correct as well. Because I haven't really taught you about al-Mahdi and names and titles, because that is not the important thing. Al-Mahdi, how you write it. The most important thing is whether you know Ismuhu or you wrote Ismun hu, or whether you're al-Ismu hu. I want to see.
Okay, thank you, Sheikh.
Okay? Ismu is the most important thing at the moment. But if you, of course, if we did book 2 and you made this mistake, Ismuhu Imamun Mahdi, I would take points off. And if you wrote Ismuhu Imamun, yeah, so, okay, that's fine. Ismuhu Imamun Mahdi is correct because we haven't done, that's fine. Next question. Then we have teacher's car. So I've seen some of the papers. They said as-sayyaratu al-mudarrisi. So I've seen some papers wrote al. The first noun does not have al. It's only the second noun has al. So it'd be sayyaratul mudarrisi. Sayyaratul mudarrisi, not as-sayyaratu al-mudarrisi. Okay. So that's that.
What if you write al-sayyara to fil mudarras?
That's correct. It's incorrect. Okay, the question is teacher's car. Mudaf, mudaf ilay.
What about sayyara to mudarrisati?
That's sayyaratul.
Sayyara to mudarrisati.
If you wrote sayyaratu mudarrisin, that's acceptable as well. Sayyaratul mudarrisi is the correct, and also sayyaratu mudarrisin is correct. Anything apart from that is incorrect.
So it will not become, there will be no ta marbuta in mudarrisa.
No, it's mudarrisun. But if you wrote sayyaratu mudarrisatin, a female teacher, that's fine as well. So if you wrote mudarrisin or mudarrisatin with a time marbuta, that's correct. Both of them are correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next
So
one.
if it was Sayaratu Mudarrisu,
That's incorrect.
that would be incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has to be sayyaratu mudarrisin or sayyaratu al-mudarrisi or sayyaratu al-mudarrisati, a female sister. Okay. Next one. Is this book? Is this book of? Is this book of? It should be a book of Salma. There's a mistake. This is actually one of our students prepared this, so that's the reason why there's slightly mistakes in there. In this book, Salma's, oh Hamza. So here, you will say, ahada kitabu Salma, ahada kitabu Salma ya Hamzatu, ahada kitabu Salmati ya Hamzatu. So here It's Salmatu has a ta marbuta. A lot of people wrote Sin, Lam, Mim, and Ya. That's wrong. It's Salmatu. And it's Salma and Akitabu Salmati. If you wrote this down, I'll accept it. That's fine. But it should be Akitab.
Salmatin. It should be Kitabu Salmatin.
No,
Babu Bilalin.
sorry, wrong.
Kitabu Salmatin.
Sorry,
No?
it's wrong, sister. Batul.
Or if I wrote Kahaza Kitabu Salmatu Ya Hamza, but it has to be Hamza too as well.
No, Akitabu Salm. The right answer is Akitabu Salmata. That's correct. Because Salmata. Okay, I don't want to go. Okay, let me.
Sir, this is Mudaf Ilay, isn't it?
So
Kitabu
listen,
Salmatin.
Batul, you don't know
Yes.
the grammar yet. So let me teach.
Okay, please. Because I'm just recalling the Mudaf
Just for a
Ilay.
second. Thank you. Now here, Ahada Kitabu Salmat. Salma is one of those dictos. Remember dictos?
Yes.
Dictos are those nouns which do not get a dhamma tanween. So here, if you did Ahada Kitabu Salma, it should be, if you say Akitabu Salmati, I'll accept that. But if you say Ahada Kitabu Salmatin, I will also accept that because we haven't done diptos in depth. So this is a dipto. Normally a dipto does not get a dhamma a kasra tanween, neither a dhamma tanween. So yeah, salmato in his nominative case is salmato, and its genitive case it's. So because we haven't done this, that's fine, because this is again a grammar which we'll do at a later stage, because these are salmato, we haven't really done that word, so that's fine. So if you say akitabu salmati, it's fine. Salmatin is also fine. Both of them are fine. But Sister Zahra Jamal, the salmati, she remembered that this is a dipto. So like we don't see Sha'banun, Ramadanun. So Sha'banun,
Lesson 5, you just taught us. On lesson 5, you just taught us Akitabu Muhammadin La Hada Kitabu Hamidin. You just taught us on page 37, lesson 5. So I think Kitabu Salmatin is okay, right?
I think I'm speaking to the wall today, unfortunately.
Yeah, because you just told us just now tonight. You told us.
But think there are certain things which lesson number 9 in this book, it teaches about that it teaches about certain words in Arabic. They do not get dhamma tanweens when they are in the different situations.
So what is the right answer?
Ahada, if you said aha, as I said, if you said ahada, so Siddiqa Tijani, that's wrong. Ahada al-kitabu salmati is wrong. What Sister Zahra Jamal wrote, ahada kitabu salmati is correct, or ahada kitabu salmatin. I'll accept both of them. With a kasra tanween or with a kasra, I'll accept both of them.
Then Ya Hamza to or Ya Hamza.
Ya Hamza to. Because we've done this already in the lessons. When a noun has a ta at the end, it will not get a dhamma tanween. Okay.
Can I ask a question, please?
Bismillah, sister.
If Salma is is the name of a girl,
yeah.
So we have to have a ta at the end.
Yes, Salmatu. Yeah, Salmatu has a ta at the end.
Oh, so if I wrote Ahaza Kitabu Salma, Ya Hamza is wrong?
That's a grammatical mistake in writing the word, but it's that's fine as long as you wrote Salma, the name there. But you normally write Salma with a ta marboot at the end.
Okay, thank you.
But that's fine.
Sir, just one clarification.
Yeah.
In this sentence, you said Salmati because the name is a dipto noun, but otherwise it would be any other noun. Instead of it, it would have a dhamma on the last letter, or dhamma tanween.
Who's speaking there?
Jawad.
Ahsanti, that's right, sister. So if it was ahada kitabu bilalin, it would be Bilalin. But because it has a ta marbuta with the name Salma, so any name which has a ta marbuta, it will not get any kasra tanweens or any tanweens at all. Dhamma, fatha, or kasra tanweens.
It just gets a kasra, single kasra.
Exactly.
And it cannot be a hadal kitabu,
No,
like
no, because
of the mudaf mudaf
yeah,
ilayhi.
that's
The
right.
first. Okay, jazakallah.
Now the next one.
Excuse me, I want to ask if it's like that, a kitabu haza li Salma, would it be right?
What was the question? What did you read? Repeat
A
again.
kitabu haza li Salma.
Ahada. So ahada kitabu.
A kitabu haza li Salma.
It will
Would
be
it be right?
Lisalmati.
Li Salmatu. Li
If you wrote
Salmati.
ahada kitabu Salma, ya Hamza, that's
A
correct.
kitabu haza.
Akitabu.
Haza.
Is this? No, that's wrong, sister.
Okay.
Ahada kitabu. So
A
you wrote
kitabu haza li Salma.
Akitabu
Li
hada.
Salmatu.
Is book of this Salma is incorrect, sister.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Should be ahada kitabu Salma. Okay, next one is where is the key? So where is the key? Will be Ainal Miftahu. So Ainal Miftahu, majority of the students got it right. Ainal Miftahu. And number 7, it was Zainab and Kulthum prostrated in the masjid.
Number 6.
Sorry, so number 6, yeah, sorry, my mistake. It is on the table over there. So it is, where is the key? So key is masculine, or
هو
you could say huwa, yeah. So you could say
هو على المكتب هو على
هو
المكتب هو على
هو على المكتب.
huwa ala
ذلك
al-maktabi
هو
hunaka.
تحت على المكتب.
ذلك that over there it is saying هو على ذلك المكتب.
So if you said it is on the table, huwa ala al-maktabi hunaka. Hunaka or hunalika, both I'll accept. Hunaka and hunalika.
Hunalika.
Hunalika means over there.
Yeah.
So if you wrote hunalika, that's fantastic. And if you wrote huna, that's fine as well, because we haven't done that in depth. Okay? Hunaka and hunalika, perfectly fine, both of them. And for number 7, Zainab and Kulthum prostrated in the masjid. You will say Zainab wa Kulthum. Now, what's happened? Sister Taiba, are you there?
Yes, I am.
So, Taiba, so if he said Zain, you got hens in the house or roosters?
That's not my house. It's somebody else's.
Okay. That's fine. Zainab and Kulthum prostrated.
It's
Now,
for Eid.
that's for Eid. For the roosters for Eid. Allah. We should come down to your house then for Eid then, for a meal.
It's not at my place.
Okay.
Zainab wa Kulthum.
Yeah, Zainab or Kulthum. So what's happening here? You have two subjects. You have two doer the actions, which is coming before the verb. So Zainab and Kulthum, there are two individuals. Now what you need to do, because these two doers of the action are coming before the verb, now the verb, okay, one second. So the verb also has to be coinciding with the verb as with the actual dual as well. So it's because it's two individuals, Zainab and Kulthum. So sajadat means she prostrated, okay? But because here you're having the subject before the verb, now the verb has to coincide and also be dual, be two people. So Sister Sana, can you come on the mic, please?
Assalamu alaikum.
How do you say two people prostrated? They've two females prostrated.
I've probably got this wrong, but I did it as Zainab wa Kulthum sajadtuhuma fil masjidi.
I know. So you was, how do you say they've both prostrated?
Huma rakata.
So you can say
Sajadata.
Sajadata. Sister Sana?
Ji.
Sajadata.
I just couldn't recall it. Yeah.
No, that's fine. Sajadat is she prostrated, and they both prostrate is sajadata.
Okay.
Sajadata.
It couldn't be sajadana, right?
Sajadana, no. Sajadana is wrong. If you say sajadna means they all prostrated. That's fine. That's acceptable. But sajadat is wrong. Sajadata and sajadna both will be acceptable.
So if you put down Zainab wa Kulsum sajadata fil masjidi, is that correct?
That is the correct answer. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sheikh.
You're welcome.
Sheikh,
Because-
what if I make spelling mistakes? Because I'm not good at Arabic name writing. I mean, you know, Hamza, I wrote it so bad. I don't even know what to say. It's totally different from what
No,
you.
that's fine. But this is at least this revision paper allowed everyone to understand where they are standing with the handwriting as well. Because this paper, it was a revision, is not towards your final mark. It's just a revision paper to yourself to realize that when you start book 2, what you need to improve further. And it's for me to realize what I need to do from certain students, expect from them in book 2. So it's for me to realize as a teacher what I need to do with individual students as well. Okay.
Sorry, I have a question. In this number 7,
Yeah.
Zainab and Kulsum prostrate in the masjid.
Yeah.
So should we start with the verbal sentence, not nominal sentence like Zainab wa Kulsum, Zainabu wa Kulsumu sajadata fil masjidi? No, it's wrong.
No, that if you did Zainab wal Kulthum sajadata fil masjidi, that's correct. But if you did sajadata Zainab wa Kulthum fil masjidi, that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer because you are following the Arabic rules that you have the verb, subject, and then the prepositions or the prepositions.
जी ठीक है, thank
तो
you.
आपने क्या लिखा है?
मैंने लिखा है ज़ैनबो व कुलसूमो सजदता फिल मस्जिदी.
Correct. Fantastic. That's fine.
So then the file will be who will be the file in this case? Can you tell me?
So then you will have, because you did sajda ta.
Yeah, I wrote that.
Then the alif there, the alif with the verb, that would be the file.
So sajada ta
Yes.
Zainab wa Kulsum fil masjidi is right.
If you did sajda ta, then that is correct. And if Zainab wa Kulthum sajda ta, then the alif becomes the file in the verb, which refers back to Kulthum and Zainab.
Shukran. Thank you, Aga.
You're welcome. Now, next number 8.
This is wrong.
Bismillah, who's asking a question?
Yeah.
Bismillah, who's a question? Anyone question?
Yeah. If I've written Zainabu Kulsum Sajadana fil masjidi, it's not right, right?
Sajadana, sister, it's wrong. The only reason why, because Sajadana means that he prostrated us.
Oh, okay.
Sajadana, that's what it means. But if he said Sajadna,
Sajadna,
yeah, Sajadna, that's accept. That means they all females.
So it will be sukoon on that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hunna.
But that will be more than 2 people.
I know, that is acceptable. Why will be acceptable? Because you're trying to show respect to Zainab and Kulthum.
So I wrote Zainab wa Kulsumu sajadahuma fil masjidi.
Sajada huma, I'll give you 50% marks for that because sajada is for masculine rather than for female. If we did sajada ta, that's the correct answer because these are females, they are not masculines.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Sheikh, how did you say that a sentence should start? It should be a verb followed by a noun. Is that what you
the normal construction of a verbal sentence? It's verb, subject, and then prepositions.
Oh, verb, subject. Okay, great.
Or also could be verb, subject, verb, subject, object, and preposition as well. So your object is the maf'ul in Arabic.
Assalamu alaikum, if I have written Huma Sajadata Zainab Kulsum fil Masjidi, is it correct?
Who said this?
Zainab.
Zainab
Wazir Ali.
MashaAllah, that is a very good answer and that's acceptable. You wrote correct
So
as well.
shall I do it correct or wrong? Because I did wrong. So shall I give me one mark myself?
That's right as well. Because you're saying Huma, they both, Sajadata, Zainab
Kulsum fil Masjid.
Acceptable.
Correct?
Yes,
Oh, no. Okay, thank you.
that's acceptable. That's correct.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
So you've done it slightly different, but it's correct. I'll accept it.
Yeah. Okay.
Aga,
thank
what
you.
will huma be in this case?
Huma means they both.
Yeah, but what will it be? It will be a nominal sentence then?
Yes,
It will be a
that'll
verbal sentence?
No, no. Because she said Huma sajadata
Yeah.
Zainab Kulthum. Because Huma is coming, Huma is a pronoun.
Okay.
So it'll be a nominal sentence rather than a verbal sentence.
Shukran. Thank you, Aga.
Welcome. Okay, next one. Whose son are you? So a lot of people got this wrong. The papers which I've seen, except Sister Matsuma Hassan and another sister who got it right. Sister Matsuma, can you tell the answer, please, on that, please?
Yeah, Sheikh is Ibnu Man Anta.
Ibnu Man Anta.
Man Anta.
Son of who are you? Ibnu Man Anta.
Anabnu man anta hoito.
Ana, क्या कहा?
Anabnu man anta.
Anabnu Man Anta. I am whose son? No, that's wrong, sister.
Oh, okay.
So,
And man ibnu anta.
pardon?
Man ibnu anta.
Man Ibnu Anta. Whose son you? That, I'll give 50% mark for that. I'll give 50% mark for that. But if you say Ibnu Man Anta, that's the correct answer.
What about man anta ibnuka?
Man Anta, who are you? Ibnuka. Use Man Anta, who are you? You son. Okay, that's acceptable. I'll give you probably 7.5 marks, 8 marks for that, because it makes some sense. Man Anta Ibnuka. I'll give you some marks for that, but it's not correct. Ibnu Man Anta is the correct answer.
Sheikh, I just wanted to ask you.
I have written man anta ya waladun.
Man anta ya waladun. Oh, man anta, who are you? Oh boy. Okay, that's good. That's different, but it makes sense. I'll accept that as well. I'll accept that.
Thank you.
Sheikh, I just wanted to ask you, you were saying that the questions come first at the beginning of the sentence.
Yeah.
So that's why I wrote man, because I was thinking that the question starts. So is it like most cases, but just sometimes it doesn't happen like that then?
So with regard, yeah, most cases, because this is coming as whose son are you?
Yeah.
It had to be mudaf ilayh.
Oh, right. Okay. Son of, yeah, sure.
Can I say
Okay.
something, brother?
Yes, sister.
So if we look at whose son as son of who, like translate it in our heads, like whose son for muzaf and muzaf ilayh, if we say son of who, then it becomes quite easier to translate as the one like Ibnu Mananta for people who have made mistakes. So whose son can be also translated as son of who for easy translation.
Yeah, son of who? Yeah, are you?
Yeah,
that's fair
because
point.
sometimes they get confused with whose son, so it gets a little bit confusing with
That's fair point.
whose.
That's a good point. That's a good point. Next one.
So, sir, one quick man anta ibnu is wrong. Wrong as in ibnu is just like rearranged, but it will be considered incorrect, or
Man anta ibnu. Man anta?
ibnu, like like going according to the English sentence, whose son, like man anta and then ibnu.
No, man
Actually,
anta ibnu makes no sense. Means who you, son. Makes no sense.
Okay, so it has to be ibnu man anta.
Yeah, ibnu man anta makes sense.
Okay, jazakallah.
And Maulana Sahab, man waldeka waladuka?
Man waladuka means whose boy are you?
All right. So not son.
No, boy. Walad means boy.
All right.
Ibnul
Thank you.
means son.
Ibnul.
Ibnun.
Who's your boy? I think. Who is your boy?
Yeah, man waladuka means whose boy are you?
Will it be are you or like waladuka your boy? Won't it be like that?
So, man waladuka, who is your boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be the translation. Whose boy?
Mhm.
Who's your boy? Okay, next one, number 9. I am the engineer's son.
Nabnu Mohandisi.
Ana ibnul
Mohandisi.
Ana ibnul. Who's reading that, please?
Shahnaz.
Yes, you're right. Ana ibnul muhandisi. Correct. That is correct.
What is that? Anabnuhu muhandisi.
Ibnu muhandisi.
What was that?
No.
If I just wrote ibnu
Anabnuhu.
muhandisi.
Ibnul
Muhandisi.
Son of the engineer. So you missed out I am. So you will get 50% mark for that because you wrote Ibn al-Muhandisi, but it should be Ana Ibn al-Muhandisi. I am the son, because she could say that I am Huwa Ibn al-Muhandisi. He is the son of the engineer. But you need to make it clear that I am, not he or we, it's I.
So if
But
I
you
wrote
can say
Anabnu,
anabnu.
Pardon?
Anabnu who?
Ana
Anabnu who?
Ana Ibnuhu. I am his son.
Yeah.
You haven't wrote engineer. You have to write engineer, sister. Ana Ibnul.
Anabnu who muhandisu.
Ana, sorry, Ibnuhu, what was that? Sorry, read it slowly.
Anabnuhu muhandisu.
Anabnuhu muhandisu. I am his son, engineer.
Oh.
Anabnul muhandisi.
Ana, yeah, Ana Ibnul Muhandisi is the correct answer. So we did a lot of practices in class as well. Ana Ibnul Muhandisi, I am. Huwa Ibnul Muhandisi, and so forth. Next one, number 10. Our chair.
Can I have one more? I don't know why I wrote this. Anabnil Muhandisu.
Anabnu.
Anabnil.
Yeah.
Nil Muhandisu.
Muhandisu. I will give you pretty much 65, 75% because you got all the words right, but it's only the harakat which you got wrong.
So now, what does this sentence mean even I don't know? Anabni means I son, right? I son of the engineer, right?
Yeah. That's right. So you want to say Ana, so Ana is subject, Ibnul Muhandisi, son of the engineer.
Okay.
So, Akha, if there was Dhamma, Muhandisu, would that be wrong?
Muhandisu, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'll give, you'll get marks for it, but you'll not get the full marks for that, sister, because it should be Ana Ibnul Muhandisi.
Okay.
Mudaf ilayh.
What if we write waladu?
Waladu is boy.
Ana waladu muhandisi.
I'll give you 9 marks for that, not 10 marks for that, because you got the word, the construction right, but the name was wrong. That's fine. I'll give
Thank
9.
you.
Okay. Okay. The next one, Medinah. Okay. Next one. Our chair broke. Now, this paper was prepared by one of the students from America. So our chair broke. So here, our chair broke.
Can you say maksuruna? Can you say kursiyuna maksurun?
Kursiyuna.
Assalamu alaikum. Maksur.
Kursiyuna maksurun is correct.
Our
I'll accept that. I'll accept it. I'll accept it, but it's not the right answer because you got the sentence right. I'll accept it because here it says our chair broke. Broke is a verb.
So our chair is kursiyuna, isn't it? Or nano?
No. One second, everyone. So if you our chair broke, you need to understand our chair broke. So it should have been. So it should have been. Our chair broke. You say in kasara or kasara kursiyuna. Kasara kursiyuna. But our chair broke. Kursiyun in kasara kursiyuna. And if you do kursiyuna in kasara, that's also correct. I'll accept that as well. But if you said anything apart from that, that would be incorrect. Because our chair broke, it's a verbal sentence, meaning that broke, so it's a verb. And if it's our chair is broken, then you will say kursiyuna maksurun. Kursiyuna maksurun. Okay. Now, next one, number 11. Sajjad's son is a student and Ammar's son is a doctor. So this one, it will be Ibn Sajjad. Sajjad's son, Ibn Sajjad. Talibun. Wa Ibn Ammarin. Tabibun is a doctor. Tabibun. So Ibn Sajjadin. Talibun. Wa Ibn Ammarin. tabibun. Okay, number 12. Number 12 is her bag is on the table. So you need to write Hakibatuha alal maktabi. Hakibatuha alal our chair. Yeah, kursiyuna is mudaf ilayh, that's right. And the next, can we say hakibuhu? No, that's wrong. Hakibuhu is wrong. Hakibatun is feminine and it has to be hakibatuha. Thank you, Sister Zahra Jamal. Hakibatuha alal maktabi. Alal maktabi. Hakibatuha alal maktabi. And the next one, I did a mistake on there. The next one, there's a mistake from me, which I need to correct. I am from Africa. It should be Ana Minal Afrika. Ana Minal Afrika. I wrote Ana Minal Afriki. That's wrong. It should be Ana Minal Afrika. Afrika, after the qaf, there should be alif. Minal Afrika. Afriki is wrong. Minal Afriki. You can't have that. It's only Minal Afrika. Okay? And the next one, number 14. This is a cat and that is a horse. Ana min Afrika. I am from Africa. That's fine. I'll accept that as well. Ana min Afrika. That's fine. That's correct. That's correct. Grammatically, that's correct. That's fine. Next one is this is a cat and that is a horse. Min al Afrika. That's correct, Sister Zahra. Next one, number 14. This is a cat and that is a horse. Hada kittun wadhalika hisanun. Hada kittun wadhalika hisanun. Okay. And then number okay, number 15. My pen is broken. So you see Kalami maksurun. Ahsanti, Sister Zahra, Mrs. Raza. Kalami maksurun. Kalami maksurun. My pen is broken. Kalami maksurun. Hada kitbu dhalik isan. Jazakallah, Sister Zahra. Number 16. Amina, mother of Muhammad. Everyone had this right. Aminatu Ummu Jawad. Ummu Muhammadin. Everyone had that correct. Next one. Everyone had this correct pretty much. Whose paper I've seen. You will say your mosque is near. So masjiduka qaribun. What if I put al-Muhammadi? That's acceptable, sister, as well, because you got it right. You had grammatically got it. Ummu. Correct. Ummu, sister. Sana ummu. Wa dhamma. Because it's mudaf. And if you wrote al-Muhammadi, that's correct. And if Ummu Muhammadin, it's also correct. Ummu is correct. Yes, Sister Sana. Next one, number 17. Your mosque is near. Masjiduka karibun wa madrasati, and my school is far. Wa madrasati ba'idatun. No, other way around. So Zahra, yeah, it's omitted, yeah. So your mosque is near and my school is far. Sorry, what is the question? Yeah, so it should be Aminatu Ummu Muhammadin. It's come on the chat box the wrong way around. It's called Ummu Muhammadin Aminatu. It should be Aminatu Ummu Muhammadin or Aminatu Ummu al-Muhammadi. That's fine. Now your mosque is near, we've done that one. His room is small and her...
I have a question for number 17.
Yes.
Okay, it was Masjiduka Karibun and Madrasati Ba'idatun. But if I wrote Ba'idun is wrong because it has to have ta marbuta.
Yeah, so you will get marks for it. I'll not give you the full marks for it because you understood what's happening, but you forgot the type because madrasatun is feminine. It should be ba'idatun.
Okay.
Okay, so that's fine. Alhamdulillah, you're understanding. That's the main thing. As long as you're understanding what's happening, that's fine. I'll give you marks for it. But it should be ba'idatun, that's fine. So masjiduka qaribun wa madrasatun. No, it's my school, sister. Sister Sana?
Yeah.
It's
So madrasati.
Yeah.
Madrasati ba'idatun.
Ba'idatun.
Yeah.
Sister Sana, come on the mic. Bismillah.
I'm sorry, I mistyped that. What I've written is masjidatuka qaribun wa madrasati ba'idun. So I've forgotten the ba'idatun bit.
That's fine.
But masjidatuka is wrong as well.
No, masjid datuka. Okay, you wrote
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be masjid.
In the wrong place.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've got the ta in the wrong place. I should have got it. Yeah. So I've given it as a half.
Well,
Yeah.
No, we can say that probably this
totally wrong.
Mosque. That's fine. I'll probably somehow give you a leeway for that. So that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
But it should be masjiduka. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Next one. His room is small. Say, can you say in the mic, please? Yasana.
Ji.
How do you say his room?
غرفته.
And small?
Okay, I've now realized this is wrong. I've written قليلك. It should be صغيرك. صغير.
صغيرة.
صغيرة. Yeah.
So
I don't know why I wrote قليل. It should be صغير.
Yeah, so sometimes happens. قليل is small, little.
So
Yeah.
actually, if we written saghirun, then it's wrong.
صغير. I'll give you marks for that.
Yeah.
Ain't that
But
all?
it should follow ghurfatun, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Al-ghurfatu saghiratun. But here, his room, ghurfatuhu saghiratun. I see al-ghurfatuhu. No, al-ghurfatuhu is wrong, sister. I mentioned this before. When you have, that's incorrect. The reason why it's incorrect, because you cannot have a pronoun and have alif lam as well.
Alif lam.
So it has to be ghurfatuhu saghiratun wa sayyaratuhu and wa sayyaratuha kabiratun. 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 Okay?
So it could be ghurfuhu, ghurfatuhu. It should be ghurfatuhu.
Yeah.
And sayyaruha.
Ghurfatuhu. Sayyaratuha. That's correct. That's right.
If we haven't put sayyaratuha, instead we have written sayyaruha.
Sayyaruha. Sayyaruha. That will be treated as incorrect, but you'll get marks, but not the full marks. But it has to be sayyaratuha.
Okay.
Okay. You'll get marks.
Ghurfatuhu saghiratuhu.
No, ghurfa, that's wrong. That is wrong. That's completely wrong. Ghurfatuhu, saghiratuhu, that's completely wrong. Means his room, his short, his small. Makes no sense. Saghira, ghurfatuhu, saghiratun, wa sayyaratuhu.
Sayyaratuha kabiratun.
Sayyaratuha kabiratun, okay? Wa sayyaratuha kabiratun, okay? Next one.
Can I ask something, please?
Pardon?
Can I ask something, please?
Bismillah.
Okay, in the paper which you have sent us, the PDF, the correct answers.
Yeah.
It says al-ghurfatuhu. So is that
That's my mistake. That should not be there. It should be ghurfatuhu.
Okay, Hassan.
So that's a mistake because I didn't get, because I had a class straight away. I didn't get the chance to check it again double. So sorry. Next one. His teacher is tall. Can I have TA? Because she's been a bit quiet. TA. Sister TA. TA? Sister Talia? Or can I have Sister Zamina? Or can I have Sister Sadia? She's been a bit quiet as well.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. How do you say his teacher is tall?
Mudarrisuhu
Yes.
tawilun.
Mudarrisuhu tawilun. Correct answer. And can I have the last number 20 and then I get someone else? Where did Abbas go?
What if you wrote mudarrisuha kabilun?
Mudarrisuha tawilun. Okay, her teacher is tall. I'll give you marks for that because you got it right, but I'll not give you the full marks because the question is his teacher.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And Aina Dhahaba Abbas. Thank you, Sister Zahra. And the next one, who wants to 21? What if I began? Sister Khalfan, come on the mic, please.
What if I began, like, I understand you have to go with the where, the question first.
Yeah.
So I went with the verb first. I went Dhahaba Aina Abbasun. No?
I'll accept that as well.
Where is
But what's wrong with that? Like,
Because normally Aina is a question which in Arabic language there are certain certain words or question particles of question which come in the beginning of the sentence. And Aina is from them. Aina Dhahaba, you will say.
yes. Okay.
Okay, that's why. So if it's Aina,
Aga, if it's Aina Zahaba Abbasu.
correct.
Okay.
Should be Aina Dhahaba Abbasun, but if it's Aina Dhahaba Abbasu, I'll accept that's a minor mistake. That's fine.
Sir, what would be the meaning of Aina Yadhabu Abbasun?
Aina.
Yadhabu Abbasun? What would that mean?
So if you did Aina Yadhabu Abbas means where is Abbas going?
Oh, okay, okay.
That's present tense. Aina Yadhabu Abbasu. Mean where is Abbas going? That's present tense.
Okay, Jazakallah.
What about Man Aina Basu?
Man Aina Abbasu. That means where, means who, where, Abbas, Dhahaba. It's completely wrong, sister. For question number 19, her teacher is tall. Is it Mudarris? Brother Ghulam Ali, Bismillah, come on the mic because you're from Africa. Bismillah, come on the mic. Bismillah, come on the mic. Brother Ghulam Ali, come on the mic. Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. What was the question? So you're saying her teacher is tall. So you will say, is it a male teacher or a female teacher?
Female teacher.
So you will say Mudarrisa tuha. Her teacher, her female teacher is Mudarrisa tuha because as a female teacher she has. So Mudarrisa tuha tawilatun. Tawilatun. And if it's a male teacher for her, you will say mudarrisuha tawilun. So it depends on the gender of the teacher. If it's a female teacher, then you say tawilatun. If it's a masculine teacher for her, then you say tawilun.
Right. And if you go back to question number 17,
yeah,
where you said ghurfatuhu,
yes,
saghiratun.
Correct.
So why do you put a saghir? Shouldn't it be ghurfatuhu saghirun?
No, but ghurfatun is feminine. That's why.
Okay, understood, Sheikh.
So that's and sayaratun is feminine, and that's the reason why the predicate has to come feminine as well.
Understood. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Sheikh,
mashallah, thank you. Yes, Bismillah.
So we have to like learn by heart these words, like the feminine and the masculine.
It's not difficult. Like sayaratun is feminine. You have time marbuta. So whenever you pronounce tun, time
no
sayaratun.
here, but we put time marbuta. Otherwise, if it's in English, so we have to decide if it's a female or a masculine.
Exactly. You need to know them. Yes. This because you are learning Arabic, and you're not doing like an amateur course. I'm pretty much giving you the whole full package. I'm giving you the verbal, giving you the written, giving you the text. I'm giving you the whole 3 modules. So I expect you to be able to write in Arabic and know where is time marbuta. And please don't let me down writing, seeing people writing a transliteration of these lessons in Arabic. That really let me down, and I was quite upset. So it has to be in Arabic, all the lessons which you write, and that's the reason why I asked for translations. Okay, the next one, number 21. He went from Najaf to Medina. So that would be Dhahaba Aliyun min al-Najaf ila al-Madinati.
There's no Ali.
Okay, that's right. If it's Dhahaba, yeah, Dhahaba min al-Najaf ila al-Madinati. If you Dhahaba min Najaf ila al-Madinati, that's fine as well. Okay, and the last one.
It is Minal Najafi, right?
Yeah, Minal Najafi, yeah. Ilal Madinati. غرفة.
Can you repeat once again, please?
Yeah, 1 second. غرفة Jawad means room. غرفة means room. غرفتها means her room. غرفتها means her room. Okay? Okay. Okay.
Okay, I have written Zahabtu minal Najafi ilal Madinatu.
Zahabtu
Minal Najafi ilal Madinatu.
ilal Madinatu. Ilal Madinatu is wrong. Ilal Madinati. Zahabtu means I went. But the question was he went.
So it should be
Zahaba.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Ali and Hussein, no. Ali and Hussein, again, is two names, and both of them are doing the actions, and this will be treated as a nominal sentence. So Ali wa Hussein, Arafa. Arafa. Arafa means the Arafa, Arafa, Arafu. Arafa, they both. Okay? Ali wa Hussein, Arafa. And if you wrote Arafa, Ali wa Hussein, that's correct as well. But the way you've done Alim should be Alima.
I accidentally wrote
Alima. Is that
Arafu.
correct?
Is that okay?
Yeah, my mistake. Alima is correct. Arafa is wrong because Arafa means to recognize. Oh, no, Alama is, yeah, it's Alima. That's right. My mistake.
Okay.
Alima, Ali wa Hussein, and Sakina wa Khatija Sabarata.
So Arafu is wrong.
Pardon? Arafa. So on that paper, Alima means he knew, correct? Or he know? Alima, what does Alima mean?
To know. And Arafa
knowledgeable
also means to know, isn't it?
Arafa
But
means
in the verbs in the Quran you gave us, Arafa is to know.
that's fine.
Yeah, Arafa is to know.
Yeah, that's fine. Arafa, that is
then,
Alima.
So then
Arafa.
we can write Aliyu wa Husainu Arafa.
Yeah, that's fine. He knew. Aliyun wa Husainu Arafa. That's correct. And if you wrote Alima, I'll accept it because Alima is very similar to Arafa, so that's fine. I'll accept it because it's very similar meaning. Okay.
Allazi in between, it's not right. Is that right?
No.
Aliyu Hussain, Alima, Allazi Sakinatu, Khadijatu, Sabarata.
No. There's no question to ask about Alladhi.
Okay.
Okay. So it's Ali and Hussein. And then Sakina and Khatija Sabarata.
I wrote Sabaratunna.
Sabaratunna. Sabaratunna, that's you. That's wrong. Because these are three, that's third person.
So we should write Sabar?
You should write Sabarata.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a question. In my name, I don't have ta marbuta.
What's your name?
My name is Batul.
Okay, so what shall I do?
So it should be Kitabu Batuli or Kitabu Batulin.
Kitabu Butulin.
So Kitabu Batulin.
Yeah.
So that means question number 4, Kitabu Salimatin. Salmatin.
I've answered the question. I'm not going to entertain that question again because I've told everyone already, and you're going back to the same question.
So anyhow, it is Kitabu Batulin, not Kitabu Batuli, right?
No, because Batul is one of those names which is not Ghairi Munsarif. So it's Kitabu Batulin.
Okay, and Fatima, Kitabu?
It will be Kitabu
Fatima too.
It should be Kitabu Fatima Ta.
Fatima Ta.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
YouTube.
Yeah.
Will you have this lesson on YouTube?
This lesson, yes, there is.
Can I ask a question about 22? This 22.
Go ahead.
Ali and Hussein know Sakina and Khadija are patient. So shouldn't it be were patient because we're doing past tense?
Very good. If you said Sakina and Khadija,
Sabarata is like in the past, right? So it should be were patient.
Sakina are patient is past tense. Sabarata.
Yeah, but in the English it says are patient. So wouldn't it go in the present form instead of past?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
So it should be were patient, right?
Yeah, you're right. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
You're
So
right.
Akha, if I wrote Sakinatu wa Khadijatu Sabiratun, would that be right?
Um, our patient. That is partially correct, but the only reason why I'll accept it because you understood what you're doing there. Our patient, but if you wrote Sabiratani, that would be better.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Like we did, remember Waqifatun? Aminatu Waqifatun. So when there are two people, you will say Sabiratani.
Yes, and same for Ali and Hussein. No, that is also in the present, so it should be new in the sentence.
Yeah. So if it's present tense, then it will be if it's Arifun Arifani.
So we've not done the present tense. So I've written in the past instead of the present.
That's fine. I'll accept it.
Okay.
Because we only done past tense, so I'll accept past tense verbs, any types of past tense verbs for that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Imran, can I ask you one question, please?
Yes.
Can you use muallim instead of mudarris?
Muallim is fine,
Is
doctor.
it acceptable?
Yes, it is. That's correct.
Muallim.
Yes.
Ahsan.
Yeah, that's fine. Muallim is a different word, means the same thing. That's acceptable.
Brother, last question for 22.
Okay, let me go to it again. Where is it gone? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so what if you wrote Aliyun wa Husaynun?
Yeah.
Alama. I don't know why I wrote Alama.
Alama.
Yeah. Alama. That's right. Sorry. Alama.
Alima, yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Alima is correct. I'll accept it.
No, not Alima. The way you're saying it's Alama. Alama. Like, am I doing right or am I?
It should be Alima, but if you wrote Alama, I'll accept it because it's a fatah mistake which you've done there. That's fine. I'll accept it because at least you got Alima and Alif at the end. That's fine. I'll accept it.
So, sir, what is better, alama in the end of the sentence or beginning of the sentence?
It should be. It should the verb. When you have a verb, normally a verb should start the sentence when there's a verbal sentence. So Ali and Hussein, you should normally write Alima, Ali wa Hussein.
Subhanallah. Thank you.
Okay.
I wrote it like that. And then Sakinatu wa Khadijatu Saburatun.
Saburat, I'll accept it. Saburatun, I'll accept.
Shukran. Thank you, Agha. Thank you.
So what did you write?
Can you say Ali wa Ya'lama? Ya'lama?
Sorry, can you read that, doctor, again?
Ali wa Hussein Ya'lama?
Ali Hussein Ya'lama. Ali wa Hussein. Yeah, if you say Ali Hussein Ya'lamani, I'll accept it. But if you say Ya'lamu, that will be incorrect because you have two names of a person and then you have a single verb. That will be incorrect.
Ahsan, Jazakallah, Ahsan.
Maulana Sahab, for question number 21, can I write Huwa Zahaba min al Najafi ila al Madinati?
That's correct.
And I can write Zahaba min al Najafi ila al Madinati as well.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your patience.
Today I will have to cancel the American class today at 10:30. I can't do it. I'm tired now.
Can I ask you, Zahaba